Ito yung safety relay na Phelps Pinox X3 yung brand. So ngayon at isa-simulate natin kung paano ito gumagana. So actually it is a dual channel. So yan ay ang first channel ng safety relay natin, tapos ito yung second. So yung push button na green, yan, that's a normally open. So that's our start or reset button for the safety relay. So dapat yan tatlong ilaw yung lalabas dyan, yung power at saka yung sa CH1 at saka CH2. So ngayon isa-simulate natin. I-on muna natin yung circuit. So ngayon naka-power up na. So ngayon ipe-press natin yung start. So kapag maglalabas na yung tatlong ilaw yan, it means nag-function na yung safety relay natin. So yung open contact niya na auxiliary is nagko-close na yan. Knowing na lahat ng safety channels natin is nagka-close, yan, pinipress natin yung safety channel. So it means nagpo-fault yung safety relay natin. So by resetting the safety relay, you need to press again the normally open start button or the reset button. So ito yung Phelps Pinox X3 na manual. So makikita natin na ang Phelps Pinox X3 is a dual voltage. So you can use either AC or DC voltage. So magkaiba lang sila sa tapping point of the terminal, which is makikita natin na sa AC you can use E1 and E2 as your line supply, then you have B2 as your ground. Dito naman sa DC you have B1 as your positive supply and B2 is your negative supply. Then dito naman sa safety contact niya o safety terminals, so you have single channel. So emergency stop without detection of short across contact. So itong connection na to yung pwede mong gawin kapag gagamit ka naman ng dual channel. Ito naman yung gagamitin mo dito sa kabila. So sa S1 and S12 mo, short mo yan. Tapos ito yung mga normally close contact mo na mga push button or emergency stop. So nakikita mo ang S21 connected yan to S22 and also S31 to S32. Dito naman sa baba makikita natin kung anong connection ng start circuit natin. So dito kapag automatic naman yung gagawin mo, so you have the S13 and 14 to be short, and if manual or monitor start, you have S33 and 34. Then meron ka ditong normally open na push button. So actually marami pa itong gamit. So if meron ka nito, if you are trying to explore, so download mo lang yung PDF, saka makikita mo dito yung mga connections kung anong pwedeng gawin o sa safety relay natin.